Take a good look here, guys. We're supposed to believe that these are clouds. Okay, it's January 16th, 2022, and about 4:50 in the afternoon. Take a look at this. Take a good look. Yeah, that looks like a lot of moisture in those boys. Woo! And then, of course, we got the usual. That's sick. It's like something on the shower wall, if you know what I mean. But take a look at the old vacuum cleaner dumped in front of the sun. My personal favorite. Where is that? Where'd it go? Can't even see it now. It's a real bright spot. Aha. Oh, yes. Sorry. Look at that. Now, this is just black filth that's been dumped in front of our sun. So we're supposed to buy that. We got a lot more problems than wearing muzzles, guys. We got some stuff that's not even mentioned on the news, and I'm showing it to you right now. And you better friggin' wake up. You're breathing this filth. Look at that. Come on. All right, thank you guys who are awake. I really appreciate you. Living like this every day is a freaking nightmare. It really is. Just look at this. Just pour it out. Nobody says a word. Television's talking about the dumbest crap. Sports. Whatever. Keep your mind occupied. Look at this. Lovely California postcards, guys. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm out. Chew my shorts, you freaks.